Installation instructions. Pry off the lid. Drill a hole with a diameter of 0.61 inch. Apply adhesive in a ring pattern, install 4 screws. Secure the lid tightly. Install 4 small screws. Align it and tighten. You will need a 3-terminal toggle switch. Connect to the 3 terminals. If you need to extend the wires, connect red to red, black to black, and white to white. Connect the black power wire to the black wire, and the red power wire to the red wire. Press once for fast flash mode. Press again for slow flash mode. Press the button on the other side. Steady on mode, press once to switch colors.